Don't hold the gun. Just let it go. No. I mean, he just don't hold the gun. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Don't pull or push the gun. Just let the gun go. Okay. The gun will go back down.
Qué bárbaro, no, pues ya no van a necesitar que lo den. Ya no necesitan que quieran eso, ¿no? Sí. ¿Sí?
Be careful. Don't do like that. Just put. It's very dangerous.
Don't shoot anybody.
Yeah. It's very good.
Nice.
Wow, it's so strong. Are you sure it's the first time? It has been practiced for one year. Yeah, it's very good. You see, it's very strong. I use 17% power this time. Yeah, 17%. You want to try? You don't need this. Take this out. Yeah. Or you cannot. This trigger is very small. You touch the material here. Okay. Then press the trigger in the right position you want. Then it will go automatic. Don't push. Don't just like this. Just put it down here. Then it will go automatically. There's power. Okay. Okay. You got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just pull the trigger. It's good. I think he weld better. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, it looks very good. Wow, yeah, he really do it better. A little bit different, Like he's the second one, so that's why.
Que siguen así. No, yo no veo, ya no veo dónde estaban así. Dale, José, échale, José. No se quiebran ni la chiquita nada.
You need some tools. I already used 70% power, so it will be very strong. The penetration, it will be 3 or 4, 3 maybe, I'm not sure. But that is strong enough. Just touch, okay? Then press the trigger. Yeah. Then it will go automatically. Don't push or don't pull. The gun will go automatically. Okay. 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 No. Should touch. No, not like that.
No?
Maybe you show him. You show him. you show him.
A ver,
Yeah.
¿cómo le hiciste?
You show him.
Bueno, más puchile.
Let me show you. It's okay.
Yeah.
Say, I think angle 45 angle, yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's very strong, I think. Yeah. So it's very easy, right?
Yeah.
You don't need any practice. It's very easy. How do you feel? It's good? How do you feel?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You hold it a little well, but it's fine. You hold it a little well. It should be very smooth. Like that one should be very smooth.
Yeah.
Try harder. Come on. Be careful your hands. Yeah, safety important.
Not even penetrate, and it's real,
Yeah.
real strong.
Yeah, very strong. Yeah, I use 70% power now. Yeah. Much better. Second parts. You know, stainless is very strong, so there's a skill when you cut the stainless steel material. You should shoot the red light on the material, then you can cut it.
Que la luz tiene que tocar al cable para que lo puedas cortar.
Yeah.
La roja.
Yeah, this is the difficult part. So you got practice.
¿Cómo lo hizo más rápido? Yo creo que hay. Malo.
Yeah. You need some more practice. That's good.
No.
I think let me see.
No va pegando, ¿no? Very good, very good. 24 de toda esta. Vamos, suerte. ¿No verá? ¿Y vaya, hermano?
Much better.
¿No?
Yeah. Much better.